Welcome back. Now we're doing exercise 14.5, configuring device guard and credential guard. On London CL1, we want to log out. Should have done this before. Sorry, I'm going to pause it. All right, thank you for your patience. Now we're on London CL1 as administrator. Click Start, Command Prompt Admin. So we want to type Command, CMD, go into the admin. Click this, execute the following command that I'm copying here. Actions, paste command. The reason I'm doing it on here, if you see it has two different lines. If I don't do it here, it will put that carriage return here and you will fail. So it puts it in here and I click yes. You're probably wondering how I knew that. Basically, I did it 4 or 5 times and it failed. It runs a management program to turn on the enable features. It's going to run this up to 100%. Then you're going to be prompted to say yes to reboot it. This is going to ensure that the features get applied and it reboots. Of course, I'm going to pause this. So that did take a little while. So I'm logging back into administrator. Let's give it a few seconds. Right click the start, go to programs and features. Turn off Windows features, on off, which is right here. Please wait. Select isolate user mode. Isolate user mode, which is right there. Click OK. And guess what? You're prompted to restart your computer again. So I'm going to restart it and pause it for a few minutes. Now that it's coming back up, we want to click Start, type Group Policy Edit, GP Edit. Click on the link. Navigate to computer. I'm going to blow this up. I get confused if I can't see the whole screen. Computer configuration, administrator templates, systems, device guard. And here you notice both of them are not configured. Double click on this. Enable. And it says what security level platform is it set for. And you can see it's secure boot right there. Click on this. Enable virtual base protection code integrity. And from here you want to go UEFI lock. They don't say do it. But if you were, you click this, you would have it on. Oh, turn on by clicking OK. My mistake, it did say OK. So we have it on now, enabled. And there you go. I'm going to go to the next exercise, which is the last exercise. This is the challenge lab for the account policies. Log into DC1. Tools, Group Policy Management. You want to open this, me, I'm looking. Domain. Default, oh, sorry. Domain policy. Blow this up. And if you want to make this a little bit bigger. And by the way, see how hard that is to do? It's the same way if you're running the VMs in your machines. You click OK. This will change in your network. This just shows you the different things that you can do in here. I wasn't supposed to do that. I was just supposed to right click on that and go to edit. But you can see the settings if you want. Go to computer configuration, policies, which one are they? Windows settings, security, and again, I always like to blow this up just a little bit so I can see what I'm doing, and account policies right here. You go double click password policies, and you can see what the default is here. All these questions here are answered right here. If you want to edit these, you can double click any one of them to edit them. Double click the minimum password length. I just did that. Change the value to 8. Apply. Okay. Now you want to go to account lockout policies. And you can see there's nothing defined here. Define this policy. Excuse me. Duration. Double click it. Define this policy. And by default, it goes right to 30 minutes. I usually put mine on 15 just because I don't want to. There's different reasons to do this, but usually 15 minutes is long enough. Click OK. It also says these two ones. You want to click OK. And you notice the other ones are 5 invalid login attempts, 30 minutes, and 30 minutes. As you did the same one, take a screenshot, close the group policy editor, and that's it for this lab. Thank you for watching. We have one more chapter to do. See you next time.